Hey guys, this is not really a hike. It's more of an adventure.
Yes.
And usually we don't speak on these, but we decided to speak today.
Yeah.
We're at I think it's called Nojoqui.
Or Nojoqui.
Yeah.
Bonquiki.
Yeah. Nojoqui
Falls
Park, which is a really short walk into a waterfall that I guess is pretty nice from what we've seen.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna venture out. I mean, it's not gonna be like a regular trail. We're just gonna see what we find on the way.
Right, and it's out and back. Like Jaime said, it's short. It's not even a mile out and back. So just join us. There's no reception out here, so we're just taking it old school, enjoying our adventure.
So just enjoy and make sure you bring your stuff to be ready.
Bye. We're actually not far from the Gaviota Wind Caves. That's why we kind of just wanted to hit it up, see what's going on over here. It's what, like maybe 3-4 miles from it, further, going towards Solvang.
Where's your hat?
I don't have a hat. That little one right there, that's the waterfall.
Well guys, that's us your route. Let's go. Speak to us. What's going on?
Well, today we have come on this bridge to look at the baby waterfall. Just kidding. It's actually really peaceful.
We're actually walking towards the waterfall right now. It's actually pretty easy to get up here. But we actually wanted to give a thanks to Letty from Grandma on a Go, because if it wasn't for her, we wouldn't know about this spot. So thanks for sharing that video.
And if you haven't checked it out, she also has a YouTube channel. You can go check her out.
Yep. We'll show you the waterfall right now. It's really nice.
Yep.
If you guys ever gone to Hawaii, there's actually a trail called Manoa Falls. This reminds me of that. The waterfall over there is a little bigger though, and this down here is actually way bigger over there, but obviously it's Hawaii, so you know. One day we'll go back and we'll show you Manoa Falls, guys.